Good morning, everyone. Hope you guys are having a great week. I want to go over something. This is going to be a pretty quick video, just kind of a tip, and it's I'm doing a demo with a new product that I found, and I'm going to tell you kind of how I came about it. I'm going to do a little demo on it, a brief demo. But a couple weeks ago, Chad Spollinger sent me a picture of a little sanding block that he had, and I think he was using this in conjunction with sanding his lines in his flag. And I went and looked and tried to find this thing. The bottom of this sanding block, this was his grandfather's, I believe, and the bottom of this sanding block has a little like a little contour on the bottom of it. And I went and tried to find one, and this thing is so ancient that I couldn't even find anything on Amazon. And I think I saw one on eBay, but it was, again, a real old tool kind of thing. So I started looking around, and I came across this product, or this group of products that sold as a set, and I've been playing with it, and I'm really impressed with it. This is the card out of the bag.
Can you... There. Perfect.
A lot of glare.
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah.
Okay.
And this is now in our Amazon store. But let me show you what came in this bag along with instructions. So, babe, if you can go down here. I have a series of 11 different rubber like sanding profiles. Is that what they call them? Profile, contour, and angle sanding thing. But there's 11 different ones. And
you've used them all, huh?
I've kind of played with it. Yeah, I played with them a little bit. And so you have like a 7/8 round. You got, and they're all marked. And they're really, really cool. You know, the bonus thing is they smell like a tire shop. I love the smell of rubber. I don't know what it is, but every time I go into a tire shop, I never want to leave because I love the smell of rubber, and that's what these are. You know, solid rubber, I suppose. But that's just a bonus. That's just me. Anyway, so and then one of them is just a flat piece of leather or a rubber, and I'll show you how I use that. So here's how you use it, kind of thing. I've got. Let's see here. I've got a board that's got a bunch of lines. This is one I did a demo on a while back where I was cutting straight lines. And so what I did was I think it was this, was it the 60? I think it was the 60. It's got a 60, it's got a 90. That's way too wide. But the 60 or even the 30, that's way too narrow. And so what you do is you just take a piece of sandpaper. This is 1000 grit, but you could use whatever grit you want. And you wrap it around there, hold it in place, and it allows you to smooth out any bobbles that you've got in there. And for anybody that's cutting these lines freehand, that could really come in handy. So that's one. Let's see, what was that? That was the 45. And it really smooths out those lines. So I just thought that was really slick. Then, let's see, let me put this piece down. And then this has got just a round over. This is like a stair tread. And I did a round over on this side. And I can't remember. Yeah, it looks like it's about a 3/4 inch round over. So you would do the same thing. Kind of just push that in, wrap it around. So if you have a round over that has burn marks on it, very cool. I just love this stuff. These things are really neat. And then I had, this is a different, so this is a stair tread that's got a different, let's see. That's not quite right there. Let me see where I found one earlier. Is it the 7/8? Yeah, I think that's it right there. That's not the one I just used, is it?
I don't think so.
I don't think it is. So it's a 7/8. And you wrap it around, you just grip it right there. And it allows you to smooth that out. Again, well, this is 220, so you could use 220, you could use 1,000 grit, whatever you wanted. And then the last one is like on a bevel like this. If you find that I don't have this angle, but what I did here was I just took a piece and took this. Let me see. Yeah.
Oh, that's
And that allowed me to sand that.
Can you show which one that is again?
Oh, that is just that's just a flat piece. Yeah, that's just a flat piece. So you could use that, you know, pretty much if you wanted to use that just to knock off an edge, you could do that as well. But anyway, these things I was really impressed, and I think this is one of those deals that the more that you have it, that you've got this in your toolbox, I think you'll find more ways to use it. And I think that's what's going to happen with me. I'm going to look for any opportunity to use these to kind of smooth things out. So, and I think Vicky, even in some of her projects that she's needing to smooth things out, I think these things might come in handy.
Really good, like in the cracks where sometimes it's hard to get those.
Yeah,
those burrs.
Yeah, because you've got some really fine, really tiny. Where'd it go? Oh yeah, it was right here.
Yeah.
So you've got a really tiny
really
profile right there that would get down in those cracks. Little 30 degree. Anyway, I just thought it was kind of a neat little tool. We have these. I think it's like $22 for the whole set, and it comes with instructions on. There are all the profiles.
Too glary. Yeah, that works.
That better?
Yeah.
Those are all the different profiles. They say there's 11 different profiles, but actually, you could even use, if you've got like a cove bit, these are all, you could use this side too. And not just, I was thinking this was just for gripping, but if you made a cove cut, you've got a bunch of different versions of that for different coves too, so you could use that side. And then it has like instructions on how to cut your sanding paper and the whole deal. I thought it was really neat. I wanted to share it with you guys. They're not a sponsor or anything, but we do have it in our Amazon store. So go check them out. I guess it's Fulton Woodworking and Tools. Anyway, guys, that's it. That's all I wanted to share today. But I think this is one of those tools that would be really nice to have if you need it. And I think, again, the more you have it, the more you'll find reasons to use it. I just want to find a reason to smell that rubber. I don't know. It's just me. I don't know if it's a guy thing or not. But anyway, guys, that's it. Hope you guys have a great week, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.